Karon na buntag pe. Sabi pa.
Ganun buntag. Video-videoan sa kami. Kaapas mi, ni biyahe mi to Turkey. Sakay mi alas 3 sa city. Kadumdum gud mi.
Ladies and gentlemen, maayong buntag sa inyong tanan. Today, we are celebrating the union of two hearts that decided on forever and their forever just began as we witnessed a while ago their vow of love and everlasting commitment to each other in the sacrament of holy matrimony. This momentous event in their life made possible by the blessing of their parents and Mr. and Mrs. Lopez and Mr. and Mrs. William Howard Jr. On such a special day of their wedding, we want to congratulate both of you for starting this beautiful journey of your life. Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin ang bagong kasal. Ang ating secondary sponsors ang Bain, Mr. and Mrs. Lini Alimentu Jr., ang Core, Charlie Silves, and Maribel Leonjo. Okay, ayos na tayo ang pinuwan muna tayo na parang occupy pa ng space. Para wala yung natin ito. Sige na, likod na.
Ano lang
Sige, likod na. Likod sa...
Sabi.